What up, traders? Welcome to my channel, guys. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. I have so many respect for you. You understand? Last 3 days, I dropped a signal here on this YouTube channel. It's not something I do all the time, but I had to just analyze the chart with all of us, right? I dropped a buy signal on GBPUSD and Euro USD. So on Thursday, because the video dropped on Wednesday, but we executed on Thursday. We actually bought the pairs, like I mentioned. I bought GBPUSD with my Telegram community, and we made 71 pips profit out of it. Now, when I drop that signal, there are so many things you need to learn from this trade, okay? Most traders were on the comment section saying that this pair is going to sell hard, and their reasons are this. One says I should look at the monthly time frame, that the monthly time frame is totally biased. Sorry, that the monthly time frame is totally sell. Some said it's going to sell from now to the next 5 months. So the thing is, I am a day trader, okay? And I've been taking this market this way and it's paying me, you understand? So I don't really care about your opinion when it comes to strategy. Because if I should listen to every comment, I'll be listening to the 90% traders who are actually losers. You understand? 90% traders are always in loss and 10% traders are always in profit. So let me quickly show you so that it won't be as if we are just talking. This is just the entry and see the market bought massively up. This is our take profit here. Now, we left. The market even came back again to even buy more. So we have more room to the upside actually. But it's a day trader. I told you guys in that video, the target is 100 to 150 pips. So, but I got 71 pips, and then because I'm a day trader, I had to leave. My trade lasts for 24 hours. So what do you have to learn from this trade? One, know the kind of trader you are. Okay. If you're a day trader, keep to the plan. 24 hours, you are good. If you're a swing trader, then you have to look at the higher time frame, like they suggested. Because I know those who are saying I should look at the monthly time frame, they look at the overall trend of a monthly time frame, which is not necessary for a day trader. Don't worry, when you trade over time, you understand what I mean. Okay. As a day trader, you don't need how the trend of a multi-time frame is going, whether it's an uptrend or downtrend. That will not actually give you the direction of a day, because you just need a single 1 day's candle to know what the whole day will be. You see, so a multi-time frame may shrink up, and that shrinking up of its candle will be a massive peak in a lower time frame. So for me, I've tested all these things and I've come to realize that I don't need whether the monthly time frame is making a downtrend or uptrend. It will not help me in making proper decisions. I only need 4 hours and my 15 minutes, and that is what I've been doing. Check my Telegram channel. In fact, check the link in my description box. You will see the link to my Telegram channel. Okay. Once you go there, back test all my setups from 2023 up to date. So it's not just a day job. You can check and see that, yes, I've been maintaining this 4 hours and 15 minutes kind of trade, and that is what works for me. Okay, let me show you more on the chart why I may not need the whole monthly time frame to take a decision. If you go to monthly time frame, like they say, shrink this. Okay, to be honest, that monthly time frame is bearish. You understand? Look at it. The young man did not tell a lie. He saw a bearish market. Lower low, lower high, lower on a monthly time frame. But come on, what he failed to understand is, even as we have a downtrend, in between this downtrend, we still have some candles like green candle being printed. And even the red candle at some point shrinks up, print down and close above. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah. So those movements is actually what a daily trader needs. It doesn't need the overall trend. You want to catch some move and it's out. So if this multi-time frame is totally bearish this way, it will be wrong for you to advise a day trader to follow this trend. Always be on a sell because a multi-time frame is bearish. No, you will be wrong, my brother. Okay? And then let me even surprise you. You might even be looking for sells. One single shrinking of a candle will always be taking you out, even when you are in the direction of that monthly time frame. Experience can tell. So you don't need all this, brother. Okay? You will need this if you are a swing trader or a position trader. Let me just say that before someone will be like, I'm saying that multi-time frame is totally useless. No, a swing trader knows that he's a swing trader. That's why I said earlier, know the kind of trader that you are. If I swing trader, you'll be like, okay, I will be taking positions on this higher time frame, and of course, your stop loss will be wider than myself. A position trader should not be using a stop loss of 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips. He should be using something like 100 to 200 pips stop loss and above, because this movement on the higher time frame makes a very significant pip coverage. These are things you need to know. Okay. And then also, secondly, don't be in a hurry to attack somebody's setup, because even you yourself, you don't even know where the chart is going to. 90% of human being trading forex are confused, are hitting stop loss back to back. So, what gave you the audacity to tell some other person that the chart is not going to his direction? Think about it. You understand? And then one other thing you need to do, the third one, is when majority traders are saying that what your setup is wrong, just know that that setup is likely going to be positive. I remember those days years back when I was in a popular group, which I will not mention the name because it's owned by your mentor. In this group, when everybody is saying that a pair is going to buy, bro, that pair will end up selling. You understand? Take for instance again, a channel like let's call a very popular mentor now. Let's say Jeffrey Benson, I greet you mentor, who have over 100,000 subscribers. If he say buy GBPUSD, the population may be on the buy side, but the chart don't really care about the population. In fact, what it will do is it will go in the side of the minority. So that is it, guys. The pair bought, this is the evidence, and this is my Telegram channel where I drop this signal. Let me just open my Telegram quickly. Where I drop the signal and how we entered and even the exit. The name of my channel is Frank FS. Please don't fall victim of scam. There are so many scammers who use my name right now to create Telegram channel. That's not me. Please take note. Okay, I will not ask you for money. I won't ask you to invest anything. That's me. So this is where the trade went into profit, massive. Now this is massive, also massive, 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 and this is the entry point. I said buy GBPUSD, use 1.30212 as stop loss. Very transparent, and it went massively in profit. Now some persons, even when I dropped the video, they started criticizing the entry, whereas I said in the video that the entry will not be now, that there will be a sell for us to take the buy. And then come on, they could not even wait for the sell to happen. They started saying, Alpha, my setup is already failing me. Let's go to 4 hours time frame so that we'll just take a kind of